In the silent vastness of space, a lone spacecraft moves toward Mars, humanity's next frontier. As the spacecraft enters Mars' orbit, the red planet rises beneath it. Humanity moves closer than ever before.
The hull bears the scars of space. Mars reflects in its metal. The mission is almost within reach.
Inside the cockpit, precision meets courage. Every instrument guides the journey toward Mars.
Through the golden visor, every detail reflects focus, skill, and the journey ahead.
Through the cockpit window, Mars rises before them. The next frontier of humanity awaits. The spacecraft ignites its thrusters. Mars looms below as humanity begins its critical orbital insertion.
Through the cockpit window, Mars spreads before them, vast canyons and towering peaks marking the path of humanity's next frontier.
Inside the cockpit, precision meets courage. Every instrument guides the journey toward Mars. Through the cockpit window, Mars rises before them. The next frontier of humanity awaits. The emergency lever is pulled. Backup systems flicker to life as the cockpit braces for chaos. Red alarms flash across the cockpit, every warning demanding immediate action.
The screen flashes critical warnings. The engine's thrust is failing, and every second counts.
The cockpit trembles violently as the astronaut fights to regain control of the failing mission.
The spacecraft screams through Mars' atmosphere, heat and debris tearing at its hull.
One engine falters, debris scatters into space, and the mission begins to drift off course. The cockpit shakes violently. The astronaut fights to survive Mars' fiery entry. The spacecraft hurtles toward Mars, tumbling uncontrollably as the atmosphere sears its hull. Retro rockets firing erratically. Uneven thrust is causing dangerous tilt. The surface is rushing up. We must stabilize. The drag chute deploys, delivering a massive jolt. The astronaut lurches forward as equipment flies and the cockpit window cracks. The spacecraft strikes the Martian surface at an angle. The spacecraft impacts the Martian surface at an angle, triggering a landing strut collapses as the vehicle bounces skids of the rocky terrain.
The spacecraft slides uncontrollably across the Martian surface, carving a deep furrow in the red soil.
The spacecraft has crashed on the Martian surface. Debris is scattered behind it in a long, dark scar.